Hello, today we are reviewing Morphe's new palette 35Y Auroraspace. So let's open it right up. I do like the way Morphe packages things. This helps it like not get ruined in transit. So let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Let's open it right on up. Take that off. That's beautiful. So for one, I needed more blues for my collection, so I really needed to get this palette because it's so versatile. I'm going to swatch each one. We're going to start with the top row and go from there. This is the first row. This is the second row. The second and third one are some of my personal favorites so far. I love pink and red. This is the third row. I really like some of the colors here. Especially the last one, it looks like it's going to be really nice. So this is the fourth row. I am in love with this row. I love some nice silvers, and that second to last blue is just gorgeous. It's what I've been looking for. And this is the last row. I really, really, really like this row especially. The only thing this palette's even missing is a little bit of green, which is shocking because it's like an Auroraspace palette. But so far, they have all come on very beautiful, and I can't wait to play with this. The swatches are all done. I've been having some issues with my skin just being really dry. It's winter. I've been having some acne breakouts, so today I'm not going to put on foundation. I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer over any spots, and then we're going to jump right in and play with this. So to start off, we're going to go in with Free Spirited. I'm using a tiny itty little bitty blending brush, and we are going to go in at the top here, just right there. I'm going to outline the area that I want, and I'm going to build it up. I do like how it goes on. It looks even better in person. Sometimes I wish I could just like remove the camera so you guys could see it in person, but it always looks so much better in person. So next we're gonna go in with the Extra Sensory, again with our little blending brush, and we're gonna put this directly on our eyelid, just nice and light. Bring it up. Put it right in the corner, a little bit underneath. Lovely. So next we're going to go in with Celestial. Give a little bit of shimmer now. And what I want to do is put it right here and bring it out and put it right over here. Give it that nice shimmer that it needs. A little bit in here, a little bit there. Lovely. The next color that we're going to use, again with our little itty bitty blending brush, we're going to use Cosmic Destiny. Do a few little swipes. And what I want to do is just kind of put it right here. Give it more dimension than it already has. And then right here too. Lovely. The next color we're going to use is Grounded. A little bit darker than the other pinks, and it's got this gorgeous shimmer. I love these pink reds that have this gorgeous almost gold undertone shimmer. And I'm just going to outline the outer corners just to kind of give it more dimension. Last little bit right there. Lovely. The next thing that we're going to do is our eyeliner. I do prefer to use this tiny little angled brush with some black. I find liquid eyeliner is just like too unpredictable for me just yet. So all I'm going to do is just put a little bit there. Bring it out. But I'm not going to go too crazy on the eyeliner because I don't want the eyeliner to be the main event. It's the eyeshadow that's the main event. So the eyes are done. Next we're doing the lashes. Right now I'm using Love the Lift, the new Sephora mascara, and then I like to go over it after I do this one with the LYS Lash Confidence. The applicator on this one is way easier to use and just like more delicate and fine. Like this is really nice. And then with this applicator, I find this is good at the end to just kind of give it like a really extra oomph. As you can see, it's thick, it's full of product, and it works well to give it that oomph. So I just love the way that this eyeshadow looks. It is really, really gorgeous. I really kind of can't get over it. I'm gonna take a picture and put it here because you guys really need to see how this looks like in person. I feel like if I get a picture, I'm gonna capture it better. But to finish this look off, we're just gonna do our eyebrows. I'm just literally gonna brush them out and finish them that way. It always looks a little better when your eyebrows are finished. So I love this palette. I give it a 10 out of 10. If you can get your hands on this, you need to. I do believe this palette is limited edition. So I would swipe it up while you still can. This is a 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.